Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a game-changing portable pressure washer. I picked this up for 3000 rupees on Amazon and it's from a brand I have never heard of. As I open the box, there is no label or brand information, just this good-looking rugged suitcase. It's interesting to note that I haven't seen any well-known players in this segment. It's mostly Chinese products. However, I do admire them for creating this product. I have been hunting for something similar for ages to wash my car and bike. The suitcase looks rugged and strong at first glance, but when you hold it, you realize how flimsy it actually is. Inside, the contents are placed randomly with no partitions in the case. We have the foam dispenser bottle, hose pipes, piping accessories, battery charger, the battery itself which is quite heavy, the dispensing gun, and a water strainer. The foam dispenser bottle's material is thin and already dented. The manual has decent picture instructions and a lot of these piping accessories come with quick couplers, making the assembly easy. They also provide two color-coded nozzles, one in red and the other one in white. Hose length looks adequate, although there is no information in the box about it. The water strainer looks to be of good quality. The battery seems okay, but the labels are all fake, so I can't tell what its specs are. I hope it gives decent backup and lasts through many charging cycles. The gun body is decent with inlet and outlet ports having O-rings to prevent leaks, and the trigger gives good feedback when pressed. Now let me show you the charging port on the battery. The charger unfortunately is of poor quality with very thin plastic being used. Now let's assemble the piping tubes to the gun. The output extender tube needs to be screwed in. Hand tight is good enough as the gun body is all plastic. At the input side, we need to push the hose onto the fitting. It takes some effort but can be done, and it's easy to install on the gun due to the quick coupler. Same process is repeated on the strainer end and our hosing is completed. The output extender rod has a quick coupler to which we can easily attach the foam dispenser or the straight jet nozzle and the angled spray nozzle as well. It's all easy to do. The red fitting is basically for the straight jet and the white is for the angled spray jet. The battery is easy to install. You just push it till you hear a click locking sound. Setup is now complete, so let's admire the gun for a while. Now let's see if this thing works and if the battery has any juice. The sound indicates that it's ready to be tried out, which is good news. I would have liked an LED light to indicate whether the battery has juice or not, but there is nothing on the gun body so far. There is a quick release button through which we can easily disengage the battery. Welcome to the testing phase. Now we are going to wash our toddler son's tricycle and we are going to use a tumbler filled with water. The inlet strainer goes inside the tumbler. Now let's fire it up. Whoa, the jet is strong. I'm using the red nozzle, so it's shooting straight. Let me point it towards the sky and see how high it goes. Can't actually make out. Let me dart it across the terrace. The throw looks good. When the jet hits the tricycle wheels, it continues to rotate for infinity. Now, let's change the nozzle to the wide angle. Using this nozzle, I am able to cover more area and the spread is decent. Let's try the foam bottle. I am using the Shinex Pro Soap Bubble Concentrate and I will fill the rest of the bottle with water and we are ready to go. The foaming is good, as you can see. I'm mighty impressed. Earlier I used a manual pump to spray and I was getting tired of all the manual exertion, but now it's so easy. And finally, cleaning it all up with a wide angle spray. In conclusion, what a product. I am super impressed. It does all the things I wanted it to do and it does them well. I don't know if this is a reliable and durable product yet, but so far I am really happy. While they claim to provide a 1-year warranty, I'm not sure if that would work. So after all this, there is still 1/4 of water left in the tumbler. And now I'm charging the battery and I can see an LED light on the charger. But I would have liked it on the battery. And that's it for today's testing. If you found this review helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for joining me today and I'll see you in the next one.